The Burp Suite has been developed by Portswigger. It's a proxy software that allows us to intercept and manipulate all HTTP request data, that is, web requests. It's the industry standard used in offensive information security to test and exploit web and API vulnerabilities. In this video, I'll show you how to install it and set it up on Windows, Linux, and Mac Apple Silicon with the newer M1 processor, or M2, it's the same, respectively on the Chrome, Firefox, and Safari browsers. We'll use the community version of the software, which will miss some features like, for example, extensions and a scanner, but for the first few months, it will be enough. Let's go. Just look for download Burp Suite on the internet and you'll be redirected here. You'll find this page. It's actually the Portswigger website. Go straight to downloads. Choose Burp Suite Community Edition. As we see here, we also have Linux and Mac. Click on download. God, I hate motorcyclists. Just look it up and start it, but it will not work out of the box because we'll have to tell the browser that, the browser doesn't know that the Burp Suite is there. We'll have to set the proxy on the browser using an extension. In this video, we'll just deal with the proxy tab just to check if it works. In the next video, we'll take a look at all of these other panes that we have up here to see what they do. So let's use it with Chrome. If we click on intercept, it should intercept the page and everything should freeze, but it doesn't. So let's install the FoxyProxy extension for Chrome. Just add the extension, and you'll find it on the top right here. Click on it and then add a new proxy for Burp. Let's call it Burp. Host name, our local host. HTTP. The default port for the Burp Suite is 8080. Color, let's give it an orange one. Save. And now the Burp Suite will start intercepting requests if we enable it. Right? But it will only be able to intercept HTTP requests. In order to also intercept HTTPS secure requests, we'll have to install the Burp Suite certificate within the browser, within Chrome. So the certificate can be downloaded from port 8080 by clicking on CA certificate. Now it's been saved in downloads. Then you'll have to go to the Chrome settings, look for cert, security, manage certificates, installed by you. Every couple of months, everything's different. And now I guess it should work. Yes, it does. Let's try on Google. Okay, it doesn't complain, so it works. Good. Let's move on to Linux Mint. I already taught you how to install it in a virtual machine in a previous video. So it's done on Windows. But this time around, let's do it in Firefox. Same as before, download the Burp Suite. This time around, it'll be Linux x64 Community Edition. As you can see, it's an SH file, so we just have to run it from a terminal. Update the repos if you haven't done so already. Then change the directory to downloads where you downloaded the file. You'll see that you cannot execute it, so give it a chmod +x, then the name of the file, burp tab, and then execute it. Burp. Next, next, next. Finish. Let's start it just by looking it up. Now, same thing as before. I really hate it when it takes the control away. Don't you hate it? I really hate it. Add to Firefox. Add. Okay. FoxyProxy options. Let's add a new one. Add burp localhost. On port 8080. Orange, of course. Save. Enable it. Hello, are you there? Enable it. Proxy. Enable intercept. See if it works. Looks like it, but we'll have the same issue that we had before. So, same thing. On port 8080, download the CA certificate. There it is. Go on settings. Look for cert. View certificates. Import. Should be on downloads. There it is. Trust. Okay. And now, if we try to intercept the page again, it will not annoy us. There it is. Good. The Burp Suite has been also installed on Linux with Firefox, within Firefox. Okay, now on Mac. Jesus Christ, I really need a lavalier mic. It's coming in about 5 days. This mic arm, it always looks like it's falling apart at any minute. So, sorry, you'll hear my voice a little bit distant because I have this Mac here, which is it's further away. So what were we talking about? Of course, the Burp Suite. Download Burp Suite. Again, go straight to downloads. Burp Suite Community Edition. macOS Intel. Nope, you're wrong, man. It's macOS Apple Silicon. Download. Allow. Download it on the desktop. Start it. Hello? Hello? There it is. Just move it to applications and you should be done. Did it install? Looks like it. Open. Now on Mac it's a little bit different. You'll have to install the root certificate on the keychain. In the keychain. You will have to install it in the keychain. So let's download it first. localhost 8080. So I was talking about, I think I solved this lighting issue finally. Depending on the time of the day, things change. Well, so I was saying that you have to install the root certificate in the keychain, right? So go to Keychain Access, then take the custard file and set it here. Double click it, then go on trust. Always trust. It'll probably ask for a password. Give it to him. It says it's not trusted. Okay, now it is trusted. Good. Now get back here, go to the system settings, and look for Proxy. Go to proxies, and then enable the web proxy, HTTP, and the secure web proxy, HTTPS. Click on OK. Intercept is on, try visiting the page, there you go. And now we've also installed it on Safari. Now you could also do this with Chrome, and you could also install the FoxyProxy extension on Chrome, but there is no FoxyProxy extension for Safari. But if you wanted to use the native Mac browser, that's how you do it. Now let's see if installing it on Chrome, if we have to change the system settings again. I don't think so. Proxies. Let's disable them. Okay. Let's close Safari. Let's open up Chrome. It's already installed. FoxyProxy, options, proxies, add, Burp, localhost 8080. Save. Enable it. Intercept, then try visiting something. Okay, it works. So you will not have to set it in the system settings, but if you wanted to use Safari, that's the way you could have done it. Good. In the next video, I'll present an overview of all of the Burp Suite features, so stay tuned and see you soon.